Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to file Form 8863. This form is essential for claiming valuable education tax credits. It allows eligible taxpayers to claim either the American Opportunity Tax Credit or the Lifetime Learning Credit. These credits can significantly reduce your tax burden and, in some cases, even provide a refund. Understanding this form helps you maximize your educational savings. Let's dive into the specifics of each credit and how to properly complete your filing. The American Opportunity Tax Credit, or AOTC, is a fantastic benefit for students. It can provide up to $2,500 per eligible student. This credit is specifically for the first 4 years of higher education. A significant advantage is that 40% of the credit, up to $1,000, is refundable. This means you could get money back even if you owe no tax. Ensure the student is enrolled at least half-time in a degree program. Next, let's look at the Lifetime Learning Credit, or LLC. This credit can be worth up to $2,000 per tax return. It's much broader in scope, covering undergraduate, graduate, and even professional degree courses. Unlike the AOTC, there's no limit on the number of years you can claim the LLC. However, it is a non-refundable credit, meaning it can only reduce your tax liability to zero. It's great for continuing education or skill improvement. When filing Form 8863, remember a few key points. First, always check the income limitations for each credit, as they can affect your eligibility. You cannot claim both the American Opportunity Tax Credit and the Lifetime Learning Credit for the same student in the same tax year. Meticulously keep all records of qualified educational expenses. Your educational institution will provide Form 1098T, which is crucial for accurate reporting. Proper documentation ensures a smooth filing process.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.